How are you, study? Welcome to today's lesson. This video will really help you understand how the human heart works. Let's start our journey inside the most powerful organ of your body. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria on top and 2 ventricles below. These chambers pump blood in a rhythm that keeps you alive. First, deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium through large veins called the vena cavae. Then, the tricuspid valve opens, allowing the blood to move into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, blood is pushed through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, where it receives oxygen. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is released and oxygen is absorbed. The oxygen-rich blood then returns to the heart's left atrium. From the left atrium, the mitral valve opens and blood flows into the left ventricle, the heart's strongest chamber. The left ventricle contracts, sending oxygenated blood into the aorta, the largest artery, and out to the entire body. This cycle repeats non-stop, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body and carrying away waste. The heart never rests. It beats around 100,000 times each day. Understanding its function is key to learning biology and human health. Don't forget, keep learning, keep growing.